We'll be talking about creating compelling content. You'll hear a lot in, if you read business magazines or things like that about content strategies that talk about maximizing exposure by syndicating, by posting a blog and then sending it to 1,000 different places. That's a good strategy if you're a large organization that's mainly working on SEO. But for smaller search engine optimization, but for smaller businesses, really what you want to do is start making connections with the audience that needs you and that you have a valuable service or product for. And that can be done on a much smaller scale, that kind of discovery. And that's the beauty of social media. It allows you to both research, discover, network with, and communicate with the audience you're looking for. So content is the words, images, videos, and links that you share. It's just that simple. It's blog posts, it's images, it's videos, it's data, it's PDFs that you download. It is, let's see, my slide is not moving. There we go. And you want it to be compelling, captivating, exciting, and persuasive. That is the best way to have the highest impact on the audience you're looking for. So how do you create a compelling and effective content strategy? Same way you create any marketing strategy, through preparation, careful marketing, creativity, and importantly with social media, empathy, because fundamentally you're dealing with human beings. We get caught up sometimes in the magic of digital communication. You type a tweet, you send it out it goes, it's there. But what we forget a lot is that on the other side of that tweet is somebody reading it, a human, and that's the human you want to talk to. So it's very helpful always to imagine your customer, your client on the receiving end of any digital content you send out before you start to think about before you send it, to think about, is this right for that?